back for another pickup test in the testing room, where I put down 7.6 ounces of mixed debris that consists of white rice, sand, Fruity Pebbles, and Fruit Loops. I basically take 7.6 ounces, throw it around the room, send the robot out, see how much it picks up. I weigh the bin before when it's empty, and then I'll weigh the bin afterwards, and we'll get the exact amount of how much this guy will pick up, and then we'll compare it to all the other vacuums that have already done this test. So let me go ahead and show you the mess real quick. You can see quite a bit of white rice, Fruity Pebbles. There is some sand mixed in, and a little bit of Fruit Loops, and then there's a couple of jelly beans as well. All weighing in at exactly 7.6 ounces. Some robots have been doing really good, while others have been struggling. So I think this is a very good test to see which robots clean the best and which ones are just not very good. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah, this is the Roomba 692, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and send him out and see how well he does this job. He is ready to go. What do you guys think? How many ounces do you think it'll pick up? This is a random navigation robot, which actually do better in these small areas because they go over the same spots several times. Whereas some of the smarter robot vacuums with LiDAR or camera, they'll map a room and only go over the same area one time, therefore not being able to pick up as well because, like I said, this guy goes over it a bunch of times. There's one thing right there that I love about the Roombas. It sensed a big pile, so it went right around it several times and almost got that entire pile. This is going to do, I believe, a very good job. I'm going to let this clean for exactly 40 minutes, as I did with the other random navigation robots. We'll stop it at 40 minutes, look around, see how well it cleaned, and then we'll check the weight of the bin. We'll compare it to the other robots. If you like this style video, please do me a huge favor. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment below what other tests you'd like to see, or any other modifications you think I should make to this room. So I also have an overhead camera. I'm going to switch to that. I'll put some nice calming music for you. You can just chill out for a little bit and hopefully enjoy this video. I will be back in about 37-ish minutes when it's done, and we will see how well it did. Thanks for watching so far. Alright everybody, it's been right at 40 minutes. Let's take a look around the room and see how well it did. Alright, this nice thick carpet looks excellent. I don't really see a spot that it missed at all. It looks very good. Same with the medium pile, except for the one little jelly bean that somehow it missed. And then it left a little bit on this black carpet runner. But very good so far. The thinner carpet did not do as good. You can see quite a bit on the thinner carpet compared to the two thicker ones. Actually, there's quite a bit on here, so I don't know why it missed so much. It's almost like it missed this entire section right here. The tile looks decent overall, but not that great, to be honest. I can see quite a bit of rice, and mostly rice. Carpet tile, geez, okay. Not that good. It did so good on the thicker carpet, but this looks pretty poor. For 40 minutes, it should have done better than this, no doubt about it. Oh my, okay, what the heck? It didn't even come over here. How's that possible in 40 minutes? I'll have to look on the overhead whenever I edit this. But the fact that it didn't come over here at all in that long a time, that is very concerning. That does not make any sense to me. Because I just ran the Eufy 25C and it blew this out of the water. Wow. I don't understand that. Can any of you explain that? 40 minutes of random navigation and it completely avoided that section. That makes no sense. So, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. This is gonna be a disappointing weigh-in. But let's just go ahead and do it. I am very surprised by these results. Very full. Okay. Get this ready. So the bin itself weighed 10.9 ounces before this test. The last robot vacuum I did, the Eufy 25C, picked up a total of 6.5 of the 7.6 ounces. You can see that poor Shark IQ only picked up 4.7 ounces. The D-Bot T8 Plus at 6.3. And then I forgot to fill in the 981, but that was around the 6.2 to 6.4 ounces. So let's go ahead and weigh in this guy. So we got 1 pound, 1.1 ounces. So essentially 17.1 ounces. So when you do the math, so it got a total of 6.2 ounces, which is actually more than I thought it was gonna read. Not bad at all. It actually probably would have been on par with the Eufy and probably beat the D-Bot if it would have got this corner. I really don't have a clue why it missed all this. Look at all that. That's got to be about an ounce worth. I don't understand that. That's one reason why I do these tests. Every single robot vacuum has given me different results, and that just kind of blows my mind. But that's the test. I stopped at exactly 40 minutes. If I would have let it go until the battery expired, maybe it would have went over there. But 40 minutes should have been plenty of time for it to wander over in that corner. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. Let me know what you thought. Leave a like. Would consider subscribing, and if you want, leave a comment below. I try to answer all my comments, or I definitely read them all. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to change in this testing room, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.